What up guys, Rob from ShowMeMotorParts.com here to show you how to replace the MotorGuide 5-speed foot control rotary switch. The rotary switch is the switch inside of your MotorGuide foot pedal that controls your 5 speeds. On the top side of your switch, you have a shaft with a detent for your speed knob to lock into, and on the bottom side of the switch, there are 6 terminals for your wires to attach to. If your motor's not running on all the speeds, it's very likely that this switch could be the problem. If you guys need to pick up one of these switches, we'll have the link for you in the description below. I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step here, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is shut the power off to the motor. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the heel down on the foot pedal. This will give us better access to the switch. Next, we're going to remove the switch from the pedal. To do this, we're going to need a 9/16 wrench to loosen the nut. Once the nut and star washer are removed, you can pull the switch out. On the switch, there are 6 terminals. You'll notice that you have a piece that connects posts 1 and 4 together, and also a piece that connects posts 2 and 3 together. Posts 1 and 4 are common, and posts 2 and 3 are common, meaning that they do the same thing. These 2 posts right here are for your blue and yellow speed wires. So now we're going to remove the wires from the switch. I recommend taking these off and reinstalling them on the new switch one at a time to make sure you don't mix the wires up. Now we're going to put the first wire back on the new switch, same way that it came off. And now that the wires are back on, we can go ahead and reinstall the switch to the foot pedal. Before you insert the switch into the speed knob, we're going to start the washer and nut on the shaft of the switch. You'll also notice on the shaft of the switch there is a detent that will match up with the detent of the speed knob. Now we can slide the switch back into the knob. We're going to turn our speed knob until it lines up with the switch. There it goes. Now we can go ahead and start the nut on the threads of the switch. And once it's started, we can tighten it up with a 9/16 wrench. And once the nut is tight, check that the switch is secure and that the speed knob is turning the shaft of the switch. If the knob is just spinning freely on the shaft of the switch, it's possible that the inside of the speed knob is stripped out. We do have these speed knobs available as well, and we'll have a link in the description for a video on replacing those. Also, make sure to check the inside of the pedal to ensure that none of the wires are being pinched or pulled too tight. And once you do that, you are finished. Again, if you guys need to pick up one of these switches, we'll have the link for you in the description below. I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching and keep trolling.